Coptic language, uh, the Lord's Prayer, learn step by step. This is the Coptic language homepage for Master the Language. So we will go down to instruction games, and once we get into instruction games, we will find in Coptic the Lord's Prayer is right here at the top, and from there we will pick instruction game. And then we have the Lord's Prayer in Coptic, which we'll read through. Okay, not try to memorize or anything like that right now, but this is just practicing to become familiar with it for different reasons. Everyone has a different reason. Maybe we're in a Coptic Mass and we hear it, we know it even, maybe we know some of it, but we're mumbling through during Holy Week or something, and we want to really know the words, and more than by heart, or just, even though, and I'm going to get right into it here, this isn't something, you necessarily need to deeply know, depending on your person you are, because I know the feeling, just being able to participate is very deep anyway. So, but let's go through and read this. The idea here is let's just practice and get familiar, so we can start seeing some of the Coptic language, the letters, and if you may want to take a look at some of the Coptic alphabet. But we don't have to be any form of expert at all. Let's just go through and read it, and then we'll do a quick practice game. See how this helps us. That's the goal. The goal is to get the practice game to help. So what we have here, J'ai pignoit etchen ifioi, mareftovo in J'ai pekran, marisi in J'ai tekmeturo, petenak mareshopi, imefriti genet ve nemhijin bikahi. Penyoik in tirasti mif, nane mevou, owoka nieteron nanevol, imevriti hon intenko, evol inieti awon intan erou, owo imperenten erchone perasmos, ala nahmen evol ha pipetou, geen pekrestos isos benchois, Jetok te timeturo nimtigom nimpio shaine. Amen. Alright, so we'll go through and we'll just do a practice game so that we are familiar with what the things mean, or, kind of. Let's see what's in this. Okay, so, wow. Yeah, this is helping with the eye, so you can see, we can match the Coptic script with what we hear and what it, yeah. Okay, so here it says one-to-one matching. We'll do that, and beneath there we have the flashcards, which could help us to know a little bit more about what we're looking at, but I'm going to go without using the flashcards. Depending on who you are, you may have familiarity with this already. I do have some familiarity, um, and I've been around this for a while. So, but we're going to go through it together and just match the best we can. All right. So, excuse me. Epirasmos. I see that. Epirasmos. Right. Epi. And see the P here. It looks like a P, but it's really an R sound. And here is the pi sound. So epiras. The C is really an S sound. So epirasmos. Okay. Pekran. Pekran. Nifioe. Nifioe. Okay, Nifioe. Evol. I just pick as my eye catches things. Ente. I'm just picking it out. Amin. Amen. Chen. Ka. Pinyoit. I go for the words first. I think it's easier somehow. Then start looking at the sentences. Mif. Pinyoit. Et. Inje. Vieteron. Chen. Owon. Intenko. Alright, looks like we got all the single words. Now let's go through Maraftovo and check back. Oh, we need to really know. Hold on. Alright. Owo imperenten echon epirasmos. Owo Maraftovo and check back. That matches. Owo kan yeteron nanevol emefriti hon intenko. Oh, that matches here. Remember, I'm not trying to know everything, so really it's Pinyoik interasti mif nan emevo and owo imperenten elchon epirasmos. And lead us not into temptation or give us this day our daily bread. I remember epirasmos was related to the temptation, so let's pick that one. Pinyoik interasti mif nan emevo give us this day our daily bread. Okay. Pinyoik interasti mif nan emevo rasti. See this T here? It's actually T. T, like that sound. Rasti. Inte. Mif. This is a F sound. Mif. Pinyoik interasti mif non emevo I forget what that. Oh, that's what it means. Give us their daily bread. Pinyoik interasti mif non emevo Our Father art in heaven. Je pinyoit et genifiowi. Pekran. Okay, so je. Now we match the word to the matching word. Okay, et nifiowi. Starting with nifiowi, match that. And lead us not to temptation. I remember epirasmos. I don't know which word really means temptation yet. The owo must be and. Owo perenten echon epirasmos. Owo and echon epirasmos. I mean ka Nieteron Pinyoik and Tirasti Mifnanamevo give us this day our daily bread. Pinyoik and Tirasti. I'm going to finish up soon. We kind of going through it. We get it. Inieti. Niete. Alright, let me match this here. This is easy because that, like, boom, boom, that matches. And then I'm going to close it out. Our Father who art in heaven, Jepin Yoititre Nifiowi. Epirasmos jumped out at me somehow. I see that Epirasmos. Evol, and you can do this practice all on your own. Same. Everything I'm doing is unlimited time. Just for practicing. Pinyoid. J. Inje. Mareftovo. Emefriti. Mif. Pinyoik interasti mif nanemevo. Pinyoik, that means you give us their daily bread. Bam. Echon. Nieteron. Wow. This is Nifioi. Nifioi. Oh, yeah. Rasti. Rasti. Nieteron. Chon. It's right here. This is too easy. No, this is all in time. Alright, I'm going to stop there. We got the memory there. And we will that's it. And then here, after I can try again, or I can go through, there's different options, more than just learn step-by-step skill games. You can test yourself with it, and you can go into the quick list, which would, I believe it gives us a view of the same thing, the Lord's Prayer, and then I believe there's some resources. Yeah. You can get to the YouTube videos and watch it being said, or things related to the Coptic Lord's Prayer. That's it for now. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.